Whoa, one loving at the tempo. No, 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 no. Chant it higher. Peace and unity, Jaja melody. One love, one love. Under the moon and the morning star, lift your voice, let the spirit rise. Temple of love shining in our eyes. No division, no hate, no war. Jaja love open every door. Hear the drum beat, feel the flame. One love calling, we all the same. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble. Forever tremble on love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love. Forever tremble. Children laughing, the elders sing. Voices rising to freedom ring. In the temple we stand so strong. Unity carry the world along. No Babylon chain can hold we down. Jaja love is the highest sound. In the temple where we belong. One love live on eternal song. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one. Forever tremble, one love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love. Forever tremble. Who bring the fire of unity? Jaja bring unity. Who set the captives free? Jaja set we free. Love is the key. Open every door. One love forevermore. When the night is cold and the road feels long, Jaja temple keep I strong. Every prayer is a guiding light. One love burn through the darkest night. Step inside, feel the holy flame. Temple of Zion, call your name. Every nation, every tongue. One love temple, we all are one. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love. Forever tremble. One love in the temple. Spirit strong and gentle. Chanting loud, let the world see one love. Bring unity. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Jaja guide me. Na na one love in the temple. Forever shine. Jaja guide we. Unity strong. Hearts as one. One love in the temple. Oh. just peace. Stillness speaks inside the mind. Every moment, peace we find. Energy moves through the soul. Silent guidance makes us whole. Floating high, drifting slow. Peace within, let it grow. Meditate, levitate. Inner light, resonate. Floating high, sinking low. Peace within, let it grow. Morning glow warms the earth. Silent hearts find their worth. Leaves sway, whispers in the breeze. Spirit calm, inner ease. One breath, one soul unite. Floating free, embrace the light. Flow, flow, open eyes. Calm, no disguise. Floating high, drifting slow. Meditate, let it grow. Night descends, stars awake. Boundless space, clarity we take. Baseline strong, echoes long. Every sound, a sacred song. Rooted deep, yet floating free. Luminous flow, eternity. Mind aware, heart aligned. Inner peace, the path we find. Meditate, let it clear. Inner wave, resonate. Floating high, drifting low. Peace within, let it grow. Flow, flow, flow. Luminous light, flow. Inner calm, shining bright. shadows play. Drums of the earth start to sway. Roots run deep where the ancients pray. Jaws whisper as the ocean spray. Sacred double jar, feel it near, feel it far. Sacred double jar, guides us where the healers are. Shadows play, drums of the earth start to sway. Roots run deep where the ancients pray. Jaws whisper as the ocean spray. Sacred double jar, feel it near, feel it far. Sacred double jar, guides us where the healers are. Quiet night, truths unravel in the glowing light. Just rhythm turns the wrong to right. Every beat a heartbeat, every tone a flame, calling out Jah's name. Sacred double jar, feel it near, feel it far. Sacred double jar, guides us where the healers are. Bassline rolls like a thundercloud. Echoes speak, they cry out loud. Truth in the sound, Jah's holy vow. Feel the dove, feel it now. Like a thundercloud, echoes speak, they cry out loud. Truth in the sound, Jah's holy vow. Feel the dove, feel it now. Oh Jah, guide I stay. Na na na, carry me through the test. Oh Jah, guide I stay. Forever blame, forever blame. Guide I step, Jah Jah guide I step. Everywhere I go, I know Jah guide I step. Na na na, oh Jah Jah guide me. Forever blessed, forever blessed. Oh, Jah let your blessings fall. Na 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 na, shower over all. Blessings rain from Jah. Oh, Jah, guiding I soul near and far. Morning light, I rise and pray. Give thanks to Jah for another day. Raindrops fall, washing I soul. Blessings of Jah make I whole. Through the struggle, through the pain, Jah send sunshine after rain. Every trial, His blessing rain, I'm forever blessed. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Hear the thunder, the clouds roll by. Jah Jah blessing fall from the sky. Like the river to the sea, Jah abundance set I free. No drought, no hunger, no fear inside. Blessing rain keep we alive. Roots grow strong where His waters flow. Jah Jah love forever show. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Who bring the rain of mercy? Jah bring the mercy. Who fill the cup so plenty? Jah fill it plenty. Showers fall, refresh the land. Blessings in Jah Jah hand. Oh, when the night is dark and cold, blessing rain, story told. Jah renew my weary soul. Fill my spirit, make I whole. Every drop is a song of praise. Every storm shows brighter days. From the mountain to the plain, Jah Jah blessings fall like rain. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. spirit rise. Breathe, breathe, open eyes. Meditate, meditate, feel the calm. Peace, peace, nature's balm. One mind, one mind. Let the river unwind. Roots deep, touch the ground. Energy all around. Floating high, drifting slow. Bassline beat, feel the flow. Meditate, levitate, spirit within. Resonate. Floating free, drifting high. Peace and love in the sky. Sunrise glow, mountains shine. Inner calm, all divine. Leaves sway where winds gentle song. Heart alive, spirit strong. One soul, one heart you long. Meditate and waste the light. Spirit, spirit, breathe inside. Calm, calm, let it guide. Floating free, drifting slow. Meditate, let it grow. Night serene, stars appear. Floating free, nothing to fear. Bass and drum echo long. Meditate, keep you strong. Roots connect, energy wide. Floating high, cosmic tide. Spirit eternal, shine bright. Meditate, resonate. drums calling from the ancient land. Freedom's fire burning in my hand. Every step is a prayer I send. Every mile is a truth I defend. Through the struggle and the heavy load I keep chanting. On the Zion road, Zion road, oh carry me higher. Zion road, Zion road, set my soul on fire. Fire, chanting songs, Jah love unfold, walking free on the Zion road. Voices rising from the mountainside, spirits dancing where the rivers glide. Ancient wisdom flowing deep and strong. Roots of Zion keep me moving on. Babylon tried to change my mind, but Jah light is what I will find. In the darkness His truth is shown. Still I walk on the Zion road. Zion road, oh carry me higher. Higher, Zion road, set my soul on fire. Fire burn, chanting songs, Jah love unfold, walking free on the Zion road. Oh, sing the chant of freedom, freedom, freedom. Oh, sing the chant of love now, love now, love now. Fire burn, burn away the pain, burn away the pain. Together we rise, never fall again. Yeah. Nighttime falls and the stars shine clear. I rave vibes everywhere I hear. Lions roar, echoes in the hills. Jah Jah blessing my spirit fills. Step by step the journey flows. From the valley to the heights it goes. Every chant is a seed we sowed, growing strong on the Zion road. Oh carry me higher, higher, Zion road, set my soul on fire. Fire, chanting songs, Jah love unfold, walking free on the Zion road. Na na na, oh Zion road, carry me down Zion road. Freedom call, love will flow on this Zion, Zion road. Zion oh Zion road, carry me Jah on Zion road. Freedom call, love will flow on the Zion, Zion road.
Echoes through the grove, leaves whisper, spirits roll, bassline deep, shadows sway. sky, roots beneath, heartbeat slow, bassline deep, let it flow, whisper soft, chanting low, echoes guide where spirits go, floating far past the trees, hidden grove, gentle breeze. One love, one soul, mystic echoes take control. Jah bless, feel the rhythm, heal your soul. Floating high, drifting low, hidden grove, let it flow. River hums, mossy stones, mystic light finds its home. Meditate, levitate, resonate, echo deep, elevate, elevate. Fireflies glowing bright, baseline pulses through the night. Shadow dance, spirits play, Suno dub lights the way. Echo, echo, whisper near, floating high.
let it guide. In a calm, flowing free, meditate, just be. One breath, one mind, let the universe unwind. Roots deep, grounded strong, peace within, all alone. Floating high, drifting slow. Bassline deep, energy flow. Meditate, levitate, inner light, resonate, flowing high, sinking low, peace inside, let it grow. Morning dew, sunlight gleams, heart awake, silent dreams. Wind whispers through the trees, spirit calm, inner ease. One soul, one heart unite, floating free. Embrace the light. Flow, let it rise. Open eyes, floating high, drifting slow. Meditate, let it grow. Night serene, stars above, infinite, embrace the love. Bassline strong, echo long, every sound a sacred song. Floating free, yet floating free. Silent horizons, eternity. kingdom come. Na na na, thy will be done. From Zion hills, the trumpet sound, Jah light shine all around. Trumpets play, Jah kingdom come, a brighter day. Through the struggle, through the fight, Jah love bring holy light. No more sorrow, no more pain. In Jah kingdom peace shall reign. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know. Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Children sing with voices strong, chanting praises all day long. From the valley to mountain high, Jah kingdom shining in the sky. Babylon walls will tumble down, Jah love rise and wear the crown. Every tongue and every race find redemption in Jah grace. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know. Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know. Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Who bring justice for the poor? Jah open door. Who bring freedom for the slave? Jah strong to save. Who bring peace where there was none? Jah kingdom come. Oh, night will fade, the dawn will rise. New creation before our eyes. Lion roar from Zion's hill. Jah kingdom come, His holy will. Every nation bow and sing. Glory, glory to the King. Love and mercy overflow. Jah kingdom come, let the whole world know. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know. Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Jah kingdom come, oh shining bright. Fill the world with all let it grow. Morning sun warms the heart, shadows fade, a sacred start. Every thought a flowing stream, silent vision guide the dream. One breath, one soul unite, floating free, embrace the light. Glow, let it rise, calm, open eyes, floating high, drifting slow, meditate, let it grow. Night descends, stars appear, boundless space, everything clear. Bassline deep, echoes strong, every sound a sacred song. Rooted deep, yet floating free, eternal flow, infinity. Mind aware, heart awake, inner peace, the path I take. Meditate, levitate, in ways resonate, floating high, sinking low, peace within, let it grow. Flow through the mind, eternal light, let it shine. Flow, flow, waves of being, breathe, breathe, just begin. Inner calm, rising high, meditate, touch the sky. Every thought a gentle stream, every breath a quiet dream. Energy Stars appear, boundless space, everything clear, bassline strong, echoes long, every sound a sacred song, rooted deep, yet floating free, waves of being, eternity, mind aware, heart awake, inner peace, the path I take, meditate, levitate, in a way, resonate, floating high, drifting low, peace within, let it flow. Flow, flow away for pain, inner light, let it Jah, Jah, guide me now. Spirit, Spirit, show me how. Meditate, meditate, let it flow. Peace, peace, let it grow. One heart, one soul, Jabba makes me whole. Roots deep, never fall. Fire in me, hear the call. Floating free, drifting high, bassline deep, touch the sky. Meditate, levitate, Jah within, renovate, floating high, drifting low, peace and love, let it flow. River flows, stars align, spirit calm, all divine. Leaves sway, gentle breeze, Jah guidance puts me at ease. One love, one heart unite, meditate, embrace the light. Jah, Jah, light shine, be as the light, floating free, drifting slow, meditate, let it grow. Night serene, moon above, floating free, feel the love. Best bassline strong, echo long. Jah guidance keep me strong. Roots connect, energy wide. Meditate, cosmic tide, floating high, drifting slow. Jah flow eternal, let it show. One heart, one soul, Jah flow eternal makes me whole. Floating free, drifting high, peace and love in the sky. Let it go, hesitate. Jah lights give me hope, elevate. path we find. Meditate, let it dream. Inner waves resonate. Floating high, drifting low. Peace within, let it grow. Breathe cosmic flow. Wither let it show. Roots grow deep in the belly of the land. Every grain of sand feels the rhythm, feels the plan. The sun bows low where the palm trees sway. Hear the drum line echo, guiding the way. Jah roots, they run so wide. Jah roots, they never hide. Feel the dog, let it take control. Jah roots, they heal the soul. Smoke curls high like whispers in the air. Truth rides the wind, no time for despair. The earth hums low, a melody so wise. Green fields dance under cosmic skies. Close your eyes, let the bass line flow. Feel the rhythm, let your spirit grow. Jah roots, they run so wide. Jah roots, they never hide. Feel the dog, let it take control. Jah roots, they heal the soul. Twist and turn, the fire of the rhythm will forever burn. The river of life winds and bends. Jah's love flows, it never ends. Echoes bounce, shadows twist and turn. The fire of the rhythm will forever burn. The river of life, it winds and bends. Jah's love flows, it never ends. Echoes bounce, shadows twist and turn. The fire of the rhythm will forever burn. The river of life, it winds and bends. Jah's love flows, it never ends. never turn. Na 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 na, chant it higher. Fire of Zion, eternal fire. I see the morning rise above the hill. Sacred flame the whole earth feels. Light of Jah shining pure and strong. Guides the righteous as we move along. No chain can hold this holy fire. No wall can block Jah true desire. From the mountain the spirit flows, burning bright as the fire grows. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Hear the drums, they beat so loud. Ancient voices chanting proud. From the roots the people sing. Mount Zion fire conquers everything. Through the trials, through the pain, Zion flame will still remain. Babylon fall with lies they bring, but Zion fire is the eternal king. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Burn, burn away the chains. Burn away the chains. Burn, burn away the lies. Burn away the lies. Oh Zion fire, keep us strong. Keep us strong. Keep us strong. Together we chant forever long. When the darkness covers all the land, Zion fire is in our hand, guiding children through the storm, keeping every spirit warm. Lion roar from the holy ground, thunder echoes with a mighty sound. In the fire we find our way. Mount Zion flame will never fade. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, burning bright, yes the flame lives on. Chanting loud, let the whole world know. Zion fire forever glow. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing night till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. No, no, no. Fire burn, fire burn. Zion flame will always turn. Light my soul, lift me high. warms the ground. Silent hearts hear the sound. Leaves sway, whispers in the breeze. Spirit calm, inner ease. One breath, one soul unite, floating free, embrace the light. Open eyes, calm, no disguise, floating high, drifting slow. Meditate, let it grow. Night descends, stars appear, boundless space, everything clear. Bassline strong, echoes long. Every sound a